this was such a big match. It's a big tournament as well. India today has been on the ground in the USA. Nikhil Naz is joining me this morning. Nikhil, good morning. And clearly there were a lot of stunning moments in this. Can we call this specific match or this game between India and Pakistan as one of the best actions that we have seen? Because I remember Melbourne 2022 as well.
Was it the best India-Pakistan game that I've seen? Well, that's a very tough question. The other one that comes very close to my mind, and I'm just talking about the recent past, is the one that we saw, interestingly, at the same tournament, the T20 World Cup. That game happened 2 years ago in Melbourne, and that was one for the ages. This one too is another game. The difference there, of course, that was an improbable situation from where it was Virat Kohli who took the Indian team across the finishing line. This time, once again, an improbable situation. It was a bowler who's emerged as a hero in Jasprit Bumrah, who took the Indian team over the line. Very tough to choose between those two encounters. But if you ask my personal preference, I'd give a slight edge to Melbourne, because that seemed next to impossible. Here also, after the total that India got, 119, you gave the Indian team no chance. It's the bowlers that came to the fore today. Outstanding bowling by Jasprit Bumrah, Akshar Patel, Hardik Pandya, supporting cast of Arshdeep Singh and Mohammad Siraj, Ravindra Jadeja, all of them. But from the fans' perspective, listen, this game is helped a lot to the cause of bringing cricket to the US. In fact, you're having these matches here in the US of A primarily because you want to introduce the sport to the Americans, and no better advertisement for the sport of cricket than the game that we saw between these two arch rivals in India and Pakistan. Plenty of Indians and Pakistani fans that traveled from across the globe, not only from different parts of the US, that I met after the game. All of them said, including the Pakistani fan, that because of the close encounter, they got their money's worth. A lot of them had paid in upwards of $2,000 for just one ticket to watch this game. So all of them said they got their money's worth because it was an even contest. It went right down to the wire. Some of them disappointed that Virat Kohli didn't get too many runs. Some of them disappointed that we didn't see a lot of big sixes and fours, but it was a humdinger nonetheless.
All right. Thank you, Nikhil. Looking forward to your coverage and for all your perspectives coming in of the T20 World Cup from the USA.